What it do, y'all? PaisliePanda here, and I have a point that I'd like to share. Which is Atreeyo? A question I asked myself when I first started streaming, and more recently from others in the streaming community, is how to access attainable sponsorships. Atreeyo is a platform that allows gamers, content creators, and brands be their best. Games I have been sponsored include Ducks in Space. Sheesh. Tales of Arise. I'm a little concerned right now about my character, as there is just an iron helmet on their head, and it looks like they cannot see. Wow. As well as Stray. This motherfucker, he's really getting down. He don't want to be stopped. He is getting the groove on. I feel you. For full transparency, I am an affiliate for Atreeyo, which means if you'd like to use my code PAISL2, PAISL2, you totally can, if you're interested. But first, let's learn more about Atreeyo. Atreeyo.com, connecting 1,000 plus gamers with sponsorships. Grow your streams, personal brandings and events, money, game codes, products, attainable sponsorships, and more. Checking out what Atreeyo is all about. We know the joy of gaming, connecting, and growing. We live in an age where connections can take different forms. People we know, people we meet, people we help. It's called community, and it is what propels us forward. Community should be easy, helpful, empowering. Y'all can check out the website and go more in depth. Of course, people are mowing. Let's check out Atreeyo's perks. Here it mentions that don't have a big social media, no problem. Take a holistic approach that does not solely focus on social media stats to highlight the value you can bring as a brand. Instead of having to take hours to email brands, they help you create your own digital portfolio, so brands can already see in one place what you have already done and do. A perks program tailored for you. We have sought out partners who believe in the same mission we do to help you, the gamer, content creators, and streamer, increase your marketability so that you can continue sharing your passion with the world. And that they do. I mean, that guy looks very excited. Here are some testimonials. Atreeyo makes sponsorship opportunities available for all levels of creators, starting from the bottom and working their way to the top. Ambush here mentions working with Atreeyo for a while, and there's not enough positive things I could say. The team made the entire process so fun, and I feel welcome to the great community that they're building. Both as a creator myself and with GG Ambush, I am so excited to see Atreeyo grow. Sponsorship use cases as Cross Crew AU, Kirby CWL, as well as Asia Invasion. And they hooked Asia Invasion up with a Tales of Arise game code. Oh, they do it. Side note, shout out to Asia Invasion. I see you, boo. I see you. Side note, it wasn't until after recording I noticed that we in fact did not get to see Asia Invasion, so I needed to fix that for y'all. Here we have the lovely Asia Invasion. You can check her out on Twitch, all this wonderfulness here. And Atreeyo, look at that. So there's that. Here are some available brand deals. Brands provide you many different types of sponsorships. Please make sure to fill out your profile and questionnaire so they have all the information needed to make a quick decision for you. There are 3 different campaign tiers. Tier 1 is for those that are for gaining first sponsorship experience. Tier 2 and 3, both application approvals are based on your questionnaire, profile, and previous experience. With Tier 2, they're looking for those that have had some sponsorship experience, and for Tier 3, they are designated for people who have had a lot of sponsorship experience. Some available campaigns are as below. Tunic for US Steam game codes, Castlevania Advance Collection game code, Resident Evil 7, Elden Ring US Steam game code, Dying Light 2 for US and Australia, Steam game code, God of War US Stream game code, Monster Hunter Rise US and Australia Stream game code, Bravely Default 2 for Steam, Pokemon Brilliant Diamond and Shining Pearl US game codes, Resident Evil Village US game code, Back for Blood US game code, Metroid Dread US game code, Cyberpunk 2077 US, NordVPN 1-year subscription. Tournament and event sponsorships, Resident Evil 2 US and Australia game code. We have completed Stray, as well as Ducks in Space, Tales of Arise stream game code. Here is the affiliate program, which I'm also assigned to. Kaiju War stream game code, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Shredder's Revenge, Bloodstain, Curse of the Moon, Rogue Legacy 2, US Steam game code, Euden Chronicle, Rising, US Steam game code, Final Fantasy VII Remake Intergrade, as well as a content creator giveaway. There are lots of different sponsorships waiting for you. Your dashboard gives you a breakdown of various stats for your Atreeyo account, letting you know your brand deals, your influencer rating for once you complete sponsorship being rated for your content, total referrals, meaning those that have utilized this code for Atreeyo. Thank you. Thank you in advance for those who use that code. Paislie2, Paisl2, code down below for your convenience. Atreeyo also has perks. We have sought out partners believe in the same mission that we do, and is to help you, the gamers, content creators, and streamers increase your marketability so you can continue sharing your passion with the world. I myself have not utilized the logo design, t-shirt, social media, brand consultant, and event creator, which is coming soon, or web design. However, we have all of this here ready to help. Amazing to see all these perks offered by Atreeyo. If you have utilized these perks, I'd love to know your experience and what I should be utilizing that I'm not. All you have to do to check these perks out, click here, send in your request, and one of the partners will contact you via email to discuss what you've sent. And it does mention here to keep checking back as more perks become available. If there's something you think can benefit the community, drop us a line on our Discord. Atreeyo's Discord has responded quickly whenever I've had questions. If you're interested in contacting Atreeyo, at the bottom of Atreeyo.com, here is their address. Assuming for physical mail, they also have their Discord, their Twitter account, as well as their email, info@Atreeyo.com, in case you'd like to email them with any questions. I'd also like to note that there is Request a Demo. Are you a brand looking to build your network in your business? Don't miss out. Get connected to our community of gamers today. And here is a way to request a demo. So if that is something that you're interested, make sure you take advantage of that. I hope that this video has been helpful for you. If you like what you see, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe button below. You could even ding the bell for notifications. Thank you to my patrons for your continued love and support. Access to my socials, as well as all of the information covered above, will be included down below for your convenience. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to write those down below. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. Much love, many blessings, and I'll catch you in the next video.